So in this video, I'm going to make it very short and show you step by step how to remove the winter grime and make your vehicle shine. So your daily driver or your family car, whatever, through the winter, maybe you didn't really want to go out and get cold and wash it. So it looks probably a bit like this one. In this video, step by step, show you how to solve it quickly, easily with Sonax. Step 1. We're going to tackle the wheels. We're going to use the beast to remove all the horrible salt and everything off of the wheels, which can really destroy your rims. Step 2, pre-wash. For that, I'm going to be using MultiStar. This is a bit more stronger than a pH neutral foam, but this car is covered in de-icing salt and the winter grime and everything that gets on the roads, and the UK is one of the only few countries that put this horrible stuff down that gets all over your paintwork, your wheels, everything. You would not believe how corrosive it is. So I want to get it off, and I'm going to put it through a foam lance because that will just save me so much time. Step 3, the wash. For that, I'm going to use Sonax Gloss Shampoo. So step 4, I'm just going to add some quick protection, add some gloss, get it ready for the summer, protect it with Sonax Spray+Seal. Literally is spray on, rinse off. Simple. So there we go. 4 products, 4 steps, remove the winter grime and get that summer shine. Thanks for watching, guys. Check out our other videos. There's lots more in-depth stuff on our channel, and I'll catch you there.